loudly?
Yeah, because I can't hear you.
Hey guys. We just got some new cookies.
We call this $6 for happiness. She wants. After this, we're gonna go drive to our new home. There's a little glare. Hashtag new home, hashtag homeowners, hashtag rentals. We're gonna go check it out. And it's gonna be I was really scared actually. Zoom in on Charlene. Yeah, that's my baby.
I thought I was your baby. I thought I was your dog.
Okay, done. We're done.
Your worst nightmare can't take me to the core. Who can
Welcome to our house. Oh, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Bye.
Bye.
I took a nap.
She took it out.
Oh no. It just says thank you.